Hi Angel. In this particular tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a drop-down within the shopping page, product page, that allows people to pick the specific flavor of lip balm that they would like. So we're going to start in the dashboard and to the store products, and we'll click on products, and we're going to search for lip balm, bring it up quickly. And we're going to click and open the lip balm page. Now, right now, it's also under the bath bombs collection. I'm going to go turn that off because that might have been a mistake. It is under lip balms, and you can add additional photos here. You could add a specific photo for each flavor lip balm if you wanted to. And that way, when they choose the flavor they want, for instance, if they choose French vanilla, then the French vanilla picture would show up. That's just another option, but you can add additional photos to your page. Let's go ahead and just click in this area here. Let's make flavor stand out a little bit. And of course, make fall stand out a little bit there also. I have this great little editing application on my computer, but you can kind of see there's some editing mistakes, specifically it should be so. The flavor that is listed is what the lip balm smells and tastes like. It is yummy too, so it should be it's with an apostrophe. And then actually all of these should have a comma right before them. So I'm just going to click that. It just fixes grammar. It's really a nice little tool. And then, of course, it looks like there's an extra space right here. So I'm going to, it caught that also. And so we are going to scroll on down, UPS, and here are our product options. So we want to add a particular option. You can add colors, you can add lists. We are going to add a flavor. Okay, that's our product option. And I'm just going to actually copy all of these. Let's see if this works. Nope, it doesn't. So I'm going to have to copy one at a time. Honey menthol and orange cream, blueberry. I could type these, but sometimes it's just easier to copy and paste it. I don't have to worry about spelling. And the last one, pumpkin cheesecake. Now this one here down the road, after fall is over, you might add a Christmas flavor or something. You can delete this and add a different one down the road. So we're just going to hit add. This is where you would connect your images to each of those. So if you have a different image for blueberry, you could choose that image and place it in here. That's kind of a neat little feature that you can always add down the road. And then you can also customize each of these variants, which I don't think you will need to do. You would if you also had a weight or a quantity option to these. But all we have is the flavor, and they're all the same price. So and that obviously should do it. Once we save the page, then it should take effect. Let's go back to it. Let's make sure that it's still there. Yep, the flavors are still there. Let's go check it out and see what it looks like on the website. So I'm going to go back to the page, and I'm going to refresh by clicking this little refresh button up here. I have to hold my shift key down. That forces a refresh. And here we have our flavors right here. So I can select the arrow and choose the flavor that I want. And of course we have our quantity, and then we add it to the cart. And you can see it's been added to the cart. So that is how you would add a drop-down menu in each of your products. Again, All it is down here at the bottom, product options. And always save your work. If you can, always publish your work. And then, of course, there's these neat little settings right here. You can create a coupon for this product with a coupon code. You can create a little promo video if you were to have more nice images of your lip balm. You can send out an email campaign. All kinds of nice little features that you can do to promote your particular product. So, all right, I think that should do it. Have a great day, and thank you very much for watching.